I'm about to install this radio for 2021 Chevy Blazer. Haven't seen too many videos with people installing them, so maybe I can be one of the few to show you in details how to properly get this installed. Okay. I'm not an expert. I just do a lot of things on my own, so follow my lead. All right, what you want to do, first step is to take this loose, this clip. It's clamped in, so you know you can use something to this nature to unsnap it, and this piece right here come off. It's just snapped in as a whole. So let's finish getting this unsnapped, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, as you can see, I got that unsnapped with that piece of clip. So now I'm about to attempt to unsnap this other piece that goes along the outline of the radio. Okay, I had to take this bottom clip off right underneath the radio trim. So be careful when you're taking it apart, because it's gonna act like it's very hard. So take your pry like this, and when you, so it was like this, right? So what you'll do in this instant, these little clips are inside of this hole. So what you'll do, you'll lift this up like this and then pull out. That's the easiest way to get it out, like that. Pull that up and be pulling gently when you're pulling it out. Okay, after taking that whole clip off, underneath you will see the 7mm bolts. So a couple of them, it's about maybe about 8 of them. So we can try to take this clip off, and then we should be able to see what's next. So I definitely will let you know. Okay, after taking off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7mm bolts, this whole piece is pretty much ready to come off, but it still feel like it's inside with clips. So I'm gonna take my my little piece and unclip it, and I'll let you know how it go. Okay, like I had stated before, I figured it had some clips that was connected to this trim piece that went right up under the radio. So you had to be very carefully not to break this trim piece, because these clips are very hard to come out. And if you don't use your trim clamp to pull them out, you can very easily break it. So there you have it. Now I can get to the radio with look like 1, 2, maybe 2 bolts maybe, and we'll see if it actually comes off. We'll let you know. Okay, as you can see, I took out these 2 bolts, and from at the top of the outline of the radio trim, I'm sure it's clips up there. So again, I'm gonna have to use a little piece to unclamp it. Okay, I was right. It had clips at the top. You see it? And then also too, this odometer little clip that had to come out in order to try to get the radio out. So I'm gonna finish trying to get this clip off so I can pull this radio all the way out and take it loose what's on the back on. All right. Okay. I got that thing disconnected. All right. And as you can see, these are the prongs and connectors that go in the back of the radio. See, I had to replace this radio, so it goes in the back of this. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. You put everything back where it belongs, like the old radio. Snap everything back in, and then we're gonna see what we got. All right, people. I got this thing installed, and by it being on the same base style of this car, I didn't have to take it to the dealership to get programmed and get them all the extra money. So it was just an even swap, and everything worked out perfect. So now I'm in the trend of trying to go and put it back together. Everything crank up with the key. The hazard lights work, and pretty much that's the end of the game, you know. So, and by the way, I got this on eBay for like $100, so it worked out perfect. Instead of paying all that extra money going somewhere else, the radio was in perfect condition. And as you can see, my old one is right there. So yeah, hopefully I was able to help somebody out to put one in their car. It's very simple. Just follow my steps.